Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just getting something. What I'm gonna be reviewing? So you saying it? Yeah. So I'll show you. It's just on the table in front of me. Quite excited. Nice sunny day outside. Get my belt back up. Because it was on my belt. It was attached to my belt. Felt like it. So basically today, well, yesterday actually, I went to go outdoors, which you probably all know. Oh, it's bloody hell. Wait a second. So as you probably know, go outdoors is like a place where you can get pen knives, compasses, maps, bikes, cycling helmets, cycling clothes, boots, everything there that's to do with the outside world. You can get bags and stuff. So yeah, went to go outdoors yesterday, but basically what happened is my dad said that if I don't go to the fair, he's going to pay me a tenner. Because normally I go to the fair, but I don't actually. So basically what happened is, give me my tenner, he said you go spend that on what you want. Spent it on this and a compass. And this is a very cool little contraption. You just see, get a nice little pouch with it, nylon pouch, and you got yourself a multi-tool. Now this is a plier one, so I got pliers on it. I got mostly other stuff, so stainless steel, as you can probably see. Oh god. No, it's not wanting to focus. There we go, stainless steel. So stainless steel, I don't know if you can see that side any better. Yeah, stainless steel. So basically, it's stainless steel. Why do I keep saying that? Because I do. Right, so basically what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fold it up like that, because what's really cool about it is that if I unfold it, I can see it's pliers, and then I fold it again, comes out in kind of this pattern. Pull it like that, close it up, so it can fit inside your pouch that you get with it. I'm going to open out all the tools. You got yourself a nice sharp knife for when you go out. You got yourself a, what's that? That looks like a can opener. I think that's a can opener or a small screwdriver. No, that's a big screwdriver. This is the small one here. And then you've got yourself like a ruler / file. And then on this side you got, if I can open it out, not sure I'll open that out first. Oh god, screwdriver came out. You got a wood saw, a Phillips head screwdriver, as you can see that's Phillips head screwdriver. A smaller kind of less sharp knife, and then you've got a can opener. And I don't know if you can see this if I just move these up a bit. It's got a secondary, it's got a big can opener, small can opener, and a cork thing. I think that is quite nice. So that's all of them tools pulled out. Well, not all of them. I didn't go over the I'm gonna put it like that because that's an easy way to show you guys. There you go. Face it down a bit. There we go. Easy way to show you guys. Tools, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tools on it. You got 13 different uses for all the tools. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I showed you this, but basically on here you got a normal long pliers, normal pliers, and a wire cutter, which is pretty cool. Got all sorts of things. Sorry, I was just checking if anyone's home. Because I'm not on my own, my brother's here, but hey. So you got all different tools. And basically, if I just fold this up, all you have to do is you close them up, and you close that side up. If I can do it without opening it, and you go like that. It's got the Boys Toys logo on it. Cool. Do that and put it in your pouch. Close your pouch and you got a nice multi-tool. It's a good multi-tool, I have to say. Brilliant multi-tool. It's well made. Hopefully this will fit on my cadet belt. Because I haven't got my cadet belt yet. I haven't made it, but yeah, I'm going to make it soon. So, yeah, see you later and goodbye.